hit the halfway point of Super Rugby Pacific's regular season, and tonight it's 3v8 with the ACT Brumbies hosting the Fijian Drua. Ryan Lonigan away for Sapsford. Lolosio across the line for Tom Wright, who tries to shift to the outside now, sends it infield. O'Donnell will bury his way through and put the first try of the night on the board.
Yeah, nice little set-piece play for the Brumbies.
Summit. They go left, Ikitau straightening and then running in behind, looking for O'Donnell. O'Donnell gets another hoof to it, pulls it in. There it is for O'Donnell. He won't be denied this time round, and there is his second.
Oh, Lenny Ikitau, nice little left foot grubber. And Ben O'Donnell, he had a bit more work to do. Look at his smile on his face there. Got a bit of luck with the bounce.
Lonigan lays it in. They go short side. Samu powers his way over. With the one-man advantage for another 6 minutes here, the visitors, as they steer it towards the uprights.
Release!
Inches short. Now Matawalu having a look. Matawalu is over. Half-time siren goes and David Murphy comes back, and there might be two Brumbies in the bin.
It's a clear line break. You've gone past the ball, slowed the ball down. Cynical, yellow card.
Now the picking going close. Inches short. Numbers to work with. Away to the right. Teller comes back against the traffic and gets it down under the dot.
Great work from this Fijian Drua side. So often you see teams with a numerical advantage panic, try to score too quickly, lose patience, turn it over. Tell you what, they almost did at the scrum. They were under enormous pressure there.
Bang, bang. In the run into half-time, and it's a 5-point game in Canberra. Lonigan bang on with that throw. Found Thompson, and they'll time that up. Lonigan sets up on the tail. Lonigan caught initially, then spins away and gets it down. Out the back goes Natavit. Teller, crossfield, pinpoint. Finds someone Vondre, and stepping onto it at pace is Massey. They will not catch him. That is genius. The crossfield kick brings another try for the Drua.
Oh, Teddy Teller, ball on a string, and all the Fijian supporters that are here at GIO Stadium in Canberra know they are definitely still in this game.
Shot!
Ikitau, right, holding it up for Sapsford on the angle. Muirhead will score.
So much to love about that play. Nearly every player in the Brumbies knowing what they're doing. Creativity.
Lolosio looking to Tom Wright. Tom Wright can't hang on. And now it breaks open for the Drua. Rick and Davetta looks up and they get in the backfield here to draw Sesek. Muirhead across in cover. Breathless rugby from both sides. The ball's been in play an eternity. Saloa gets it away for Revolvo. Side to side, end to end, and they are in.
Oh, length of the field from Drua. They can just break out from anywhere.
Still in possession though is the Silla. Closes in on the try and they pick and go and they get there. They're in front. The Drua are in front against the Brumbies in Canberra.
One player in to clean out, one pick and go, patience, all the things.
In the lead-up, I'll show you a camera angle now.
Could be a knock on here.
Just a Fiji 6, they're not showing the right time, mate.
Okay, mate, that's fine. So what you're telling me is a clear knock on.
There it is, Dave.
So captain, I didn't find it. Boys, offside. Short play.
Brumbies saying it's held up. Damon Murphy will blow it up.
Time off. Step back.
And what does he want to check here?
So this is the one that he picks up from and goes.
Yeah.
They can
So he's already on the
Kalavata.
ground.
Yeah, he's already on the ground.
Right,
He's hit the ground.
So, boys, no try. Apparently, he's crawled to the goal line.
So you talk about turning points in the match.
Brought down well by Thompson. Brumbies got to collect with the rolling ball for Lonigan in this second half. I'll keep it tight, giving Pollard an opportunity. Pollard put down, and then he's back to his feet. It'll be a penalty try. Penalty try goes to the Brumbies. And there'll be a man going to the bin as well. Now they go to work with their scrum. They've got a penalty advantage. Falls out the back. O'Donnell will get his hat-trick. There's 3 for BOD.
What about the ball from Nick White? Stop it.
Looking for the extras. Misses the target, and that'll be that. The full-time score in Canberra. The Brumbies 43, the Drua 28.